What are you doing?
I'm looking for a job because I'm so sick of being broke. Hi, I'm Tara, and I am a mom of 5, 2 under a year and a half. I'm rebuilding my life one step at a time, and raising little ones as I go. Is that funny? We are imperfect, and we are not going to portray the perfect social media family. See, we are not perfect, and we're not trying to be, because we're not. Too much perfection all over social media. Journey. See, she agrees. You can subscribe. Yes. Bye-bye, friends. Yes, it's our little friend. Coming soon, so stay tuned.
He was reaching for her.
Good girl. Shake. What are you doing? What are you doing? So this is real life. He just up and left. She wants a kiss. Can you give her a kiss? Can you give her a kiss? I don't have a belly anymore. Oh my gosh. Look at his toes.
Rocco!
Holy moly.
Look at you!
Hey! He's sitting on the ball. First train ride. You said first train ride?
Dude, what is it with you and this? He likes this music. This is Rocco's favorite.
Why are the dogs in the pool area?
I want food, wet food, dry food, your food, I want food.
Just one more day.
Walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she.
And also, we need more.
No, 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 no. You can't do that. Those are her eyes, so we have to be easy.
Anxiety, where's the beer?
It's pretty half and half at this point. She actually has more to go that we've already taken out. Okay.
Days would all be empty, but not.
Oh my goodness.
Crazy.
You know what?
Can you hear the drum?
Oh. When I need money, this is exactly what I do. And yes, even mamas can do this. And without further ado, meet the family.
Hey guys, it's our YouTube channel, and I hope you really enjoy it. This is our first video ever made. So we do have like a small farm with a couple of farm animals, so we might be doing some videos that include that. Be surprised. Anyways, that's it. Bye bye.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications and like the video. Please guys, we're gonna grow a little tiny channel right now. Anyways, bye bye.